Hi guys, welcome to Hydrodynamica, and today I'm going to be talking about the altimeter and various types of altitude. So the altimeter measures the amount of pressure in the air and tells you how high you're flying. So this is what an altimeter looks like. See, on the steam gauge it's just a dial. So this small, I'll use blue actually. The small hand indicates thousands of feet. The large hand indicates hundreds of feet, and this small little triangle represents tens of thousands. So you see it's kind of like a clock. So you read this one as about 3,800. The way you do that, you see the small hand between 3 and 4, and it's approximately coming here. That kind of correlates where this is going here with the 800 feet. So it's a little bit closer to 4 than it is to 3. Compare that 3,800. If you check up here, you'll see that's about 5 would be about here. So that's probably about where it is. Also, you've got this knob here, and that's going to help you change your altimeter setting. So this altimeter is at standard. You change the altimeter because of different barometric pressure, because you want to set your altimeter setting to field elevation, so you can get as close of a true altitude indication as you can. That's your height above mean sea level, but we'll get to that later. So that being said, though, it only happens when you're at standard conditions. So that's 2992 and 15 degrees Celsius. So that being said, there are several different types of altitude. There's indicated altitude. That's the altitude just read off your altimeter. There's pressure altitude. That's altitude above the standard datum plane. That's just basically, that's like a fancy way of saying mean sea level, approximately. So for example, if you got New Orleans down here at 0 feet, the altimeter settings would be 2992 at standard. If you get Denver up here, 5,000 feet, it would be 2942. So for every 0.1 inch, mercury equals 10 feet. See how we drop from there to there. That being said, there's several other types as well. Indicated pressure, there's calibrated altitude, and that's the altimeter corrected or altitude corrected for installation error. That's generally pretty small. There's density altitude as well. And density altitude is pressure altitude corrected for a non-standard non-standard temperature. So like I was saying before, if it's not 15 degrees Celsius, then you gotta correct for that. So on a hot day, you're gonna need more runway. It's about performance. And then finally, there's two more. There is true altitude. That's height above mean sea level. So if your aircraft was here, above New Orleans, that'd be 2,000. True altitude. However, if you were 1,000 feet above Denver here, visual aircraft, you're going to be at 6,000. And then, pull out different markers if you need to see that. We're going to have absolute altitude. So absolute altitude is the height above the ground. So instead of mean sea level, it's AGL, or above ground level. So here, it would say the same because the sea level is where the ground is in New Orleans. However, if you come to this aircraft here, which is at 6,000 feet MSL, it would only be 1,000 feet AGL. And that's because the terrain is about 5,000 feet. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks very much for watching.